over the bulkheads. Now,
Kevin, what's going on?
I
don't know. What's he talking about?
Your state has been
I think there's a storm outside. Let's take a look.
Oh man, I've been down here 5 minutes. I'm ready to come in. I can't. It is so windy out here.
What's Jason doing out there? I'm getting hit by the snow right here. He must be nuts. I don't know if I can bring the camera out here.
Look how deep it is. It's over a foot deep right now.
Let's see Jason's mountain.
Yeah, look what he did.
Oh man, I'm getting hit by snow.
Come on, Kevin, let's hurry up. Let's show me how deep it is. Look, Dad.
Yay! Whee! Whee!
Boy, and it's mid-March.
Yeah, we don't have to build a luge this time. There's enough snow there already.
Right.
We'll just throw the...
Kevin, you're going to get buried in that snow.
Yeah.
It's sleeting a little bit now, too.
Yeah, it's starting to rain. It's raining in New Jersey right now.
But it's supposed to get 3 feet up in the Poconos.
Kevin, look at our hill we built. Look how big it is.
I know.
Go on over and see if we can climb it.
Okay.
And just think, next week we'll be in Arizona. You know that Uncle Bob said it's 80 degrees there today?
80 degrees in Arizona. What's today's date again? The 13th of March.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Let's see you climb the hill.
I can't wait to get to Arizona.
Yeah, you get sunburned. You complain it's too hot.
Hey, I don't care. Anything's better than this.
First I need to get the snow out of my boots.
Well, forget it, Kevin. If you're only out there for 60 seconds, you get snow in your boots. Jason, see if we can get to the top of it.
There's really high wind drifts, too. They're predicting possibly 2 feet.
He'll get blown off. He can't...
On your
Whoa! He got blown off, and he's down. The wind was too much for him. And he's running for the house. He knows when he's licking.
That wind's strong.
Yeah, it is strong.
Yeah. I better get out of the snow. It's getting in my boots.
Well, but they say it's starting to rain now a little bit.
No, it's sleeting.
Well, it
hurts.
I guess rain comes
Go
next.
play in the snow.
No, it's sleeting now. It's really rough out there.
Maybe Kevin can go up on the hill and get blown off. Go ahead, get to the top.
King of the mountain.
King of the mountain. Uh-oh.
Bubble up, Jason.
Kevin.
Bubble up.
Jason, what are you doing? There, here I go now.
Push him up, Jason. Give him a boost. That's it. Give him a push. Yay, Kevin! Yay!
Yeah!
King of the mountain.
Yeah!
Here comes another wind. Oh, he's...
Watch me fall down.
Hey, it's a storm out here. It blew all the snow off the top of the car and I had a foot on it before. Whoa! I better get my camera out of here before it gets wrecked.
Yeah.
I can't believe I got to know.
Yeah?
We'll have to make it a little bit bigger.
When you go and you get the snow out of my shoes.
Oh, look at me too.
Alright guys, I'm cutting out of here. We'll take some more